This is e-ticket scanner, an innovative and convenient app for the buying and selling of electronic tickets and vouchers to events. With e-ticket scanner, anyone can buy a ticket and pay using mobile money. The ticket will be available for download and can be verified at the event by simply scanning it using the app. To purchase a ticket, you can download the e-ticket scanner app on either the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iOS. Once you have the app installed, you'll be able to browse through the event tickets and also the vouchers available. Selecting any of the available tickets or vouchers will give you more details about the particular event. On the details page, all the categories of tickets available will be displayed here, and you can select the quantity that you want and add to your cart. You can always add more events or vouchers to your cart, or you can visit the cart to complete your order. On checkout, you'll be required to provide some details including your name and email address. You then have to choose any of the service providers and provide your mobile money number. Without provided, you can proceed to the next step. This will create your ticket and you can review the details of your order. If you're okay with the order, you can proceed to pay now. Now at this point, you receive a prompt to enter your mobile money PIN, which will complete the order. Once the process is completed successfully, you should get a confirmation message and you can check your inbox for the ticket. You can download the ticket by following the link in the email received. You now have a valid ticket and you can present this at the event to check in. Now at the point of checkout, if you select the MTN payment method, sometimes you don't get a prompt to enter your PIN right away. If that's the case, you have to follow the instructions on your screen to complete the payment. The procedure is quite simple. You simply have to go to your phone and dial *170#. You then choose option 6 to visit your wallet. On the wallet page, you choose option 3 to go to my approvals. Now at this point, you enter your PIN to get your approval list. Now you should see a pending transaction from your ticket purchase. If you don't have multiple pending transactions, you can choose option 1 here to select the transaction. After this, you can input 1 again to complete the ticket purchase. Now I've seen that for the whole process of purchasing the ticket, you don't need to create an account. But if you decide to create an account with the email that you used, you have some added benefits. So in the app, when you visit the profile tab, you have the option to sign in. And over here, you have multiple sign-in options, including Google, Facebook, and also Apple sign-in on iOS. If you want to sign in using the regular email and password, you can create a new account with the option here. Over here, you provide the username and email address and the password. Once the account is created, you'll be sent an email to verify your email account. In the email, all you have to do is to click on the link provided. Once your email is verified, you can proceed to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you have access to My Tickets. This will enable you to see all the tickets that you've purchased and you can download them in the app. Another way you can purchase the event tickets and vouchers is by visiting eticketscanner.com on the web. Over here as well, you have access to the available events and vouchers and you can select the one that you want to purchase. On the details page, you have access to all the ticket categories as well and you can select the number that you want to add to your carts. And when you are done, you can show the carts and continue with the payment process. Over here, you provide all the details here just like we did in the app. Once you check out, you have the instruction to proceed just like we did for the mobile app. Now if you want to sell a ticket on the e-ticket scanner app, the process is also simple. You don't have to print any tickets. So to start, you have to visit eticketscanner.com in the browser. Over here, you need to sign up an account, or if you already have an account in the mobile app, you can log in here, or you can sign in either using Facebook or Google Sign In. Once you are logged in, you need to set up your profile. So under the name here, you visit the user portal. Now this takes us to the account section. So over here, you provide the organization a name and a contact number. Also, you need to provide a valid mobile money number. This is the number that will receive the money from your ticket sales when the end date for the event is due. So ensure that this is a valid number. Also, you can provide an optional website. And also you can provide a description for your company. Once you've provided everything, you can submit. Now at this point, to get our account ready, we need to log out and log in again. Once we do that, we are ready to start creating our tickets. So we visit the user portal once again. And now we can create both events and vouchers. Now to create an event, we click on the Create Event button. For every event, it needs to have a name, so we need to provide the event a name. Now we need to specify a start date for our event and also an end date. By default, the current date will be over here. Now if the event is a single day event, you can make the start and end date the same. Otherwise, you need an end date which is later than the start date. Also, you need to provide an address for the event. Over here, you can start typing the address or the location of the event, but ensure that you choose one of the addresses that pop up. Also, you can provide a description for the event as well to tell people why they should attend this event. Also, you need to provide a category for your event. This can be used by potential ticket buyers to sort out the tickets, so you choose one of the available ones here. Now, the publish option will determine whether to start showing the ticket to people in the e-ticket scanner app. So over here you can choose yes or no, but since we are not done yet, we can keep this at no. Now for the next step, we need to upload an image for the event. For this, you can upload a high quality image for your event, but it should be in the ratio of 2:1, and also the minimum height should be 400 pixels and the width should be 800 pixels. So for instance, I have an image here that I want to use for my event, but when you look at the dimensions, the width is not twice the size of the height, meaning the image is not in a 2:1 ratio. I can easily fix this by using a free tool online. So in the browser, I can search for a way to do this. Using the very first tool that I get, I can upload my image here. Once the image is uploaded, I will change the aspect ratio to 2:1. So over here I can choose the custom aspect ratio, and the horizontal ratio should be 2 and the vertical ratio should be 1. Now I'll choose the section of the image that I want to highlight, and over here I'll ensure that the height is at least 400 pixels, which I have over here. Then I can go ahead to save the image, and then go through the process to save the image to my PC. So I have the image in the right size now. Now back on the e-ticket scanner page, I'll upload this new image here, and I can submit to create the event. With the event successfully created, we need to create the categories of tickets for the event. So to do that, we choose to edit the event. And over here, we visit the ticket categories. Now having ticket categories is very useful. For example, you can create levels for your tickets, having regular tickets and also VIP tickets. So to create a category, we choose create ticket category. Over here, we start by giving the category a name. So let's say VIP. And then you choose a start date for your event. Also, you can select a time for the event here as well. You have to ensure that this range matches with the actual event or falls within the time frame of the event. Also, you need to provide the number of tickets that you want to make available. The number you provide here will ensure that the tickets to be sold will not be more than that. Also, you need to set a price for your tickets. If you have a discount, you can put that here. You ensure that your currency is selected, and also you can provide a description for your ticket category. Once you are done, you submit to create the category. And then if you have more categories, you can proceed to create all of them. To create a voucher as well, the process is very similar. So for that, you visit the vouchers tab here, and then you can create a voucher by clicking the button here and provide the necessary details. Now with our event and ticket created, we can publish it to allow people to buy our ticket. So once again, we edit the event here, and then we set the value of published to yes. Once we do that and submit, our event should be public. So when we visit the home page of e-ticket scanner, we should see our tickets over here which can be purchased. The same situation applies to the mobile app. When the event page is refreshed, our new event should pop up here with all the details that we provided, and also the VIP ticket that we created can be bought from here. Now on the day of the event, e-ticket scanner will enable you to verify the tickets that are presented and also detect duplicates. This feature will be activated when the start date for your event is due. To start the verification process, you need to log into your account in the e-ticket scanner app. So you visit the profile and sign in with your account. Once you are logged in, you see that you have a lot more options than the regular account. All the events that you've created can be found under scan events, and you can choose the event for which you want to verify the ticket. Now by way of demonstration, let's see how the ticket verification works. Presented with the ticket for this event, I'll just tap on the event, and I'll point my camera at the topmost QR code. If this is an invalid ticket, it will be rejected and I can deny the user access to the event. Now when a valid ticket is presented, it says verified and the user can be allowed to access the event. Now if the same valid ticket is presented twice, let's see what happens. If that is the case, we get a duplicate message which shows that the ticket has already been verified and there might be an attempt to cheat. Now if it's night time and a printed ticket is presented, you can use the flashlight here to light up the ticket, and that will allow you to scan it easily. So this is how to save yourself some time and hassle with the buying and selling of tickets using the e-ticket scanner app.